Hi everybody, how you doing? Welcome back. Just look at the weather again. We have been so lucky with the weather recently, and today is no exception. A beautiful day. It's warm and sunny, and there's even a bit of a breeze to keep us cool, to make sure the temperatures don't get too much out of hand. Now today's walk is centred around an old favourite of ours, and that's Winscar Reservoir. Most of the land around Winscar Reservoir is open access land, so you're supposed to be able to roam freely. The only times when you can't do that is when they're shooting on, or particular times of year when they close the moor to do with the birds nesting, the grouse. You can't take dogs either, because it's grouse moor. They restrict it to no dogs. But apart from that, we're pretty unrestricted. So, should be a good one on a day like this. What could possibly go wrong? It's about 5 miles, I think. So nothing too ambitious, but perfect for a day like this. I'd love it if you could join me on this walk. Come along with me. Let's go see what we can find. I'm really looking forward to this walk. I hope you are too. Great having you with me. Why don't we go and have a look at the route on the map? Today's walk starts in the hamlet of Dunford Bridge. From Dunford Bridge we walk up the road, then turn off onto the path that leads directly to Winscar. From Winscar we walk up the road for a couple of 100 metres before turning off down towards Holmfirth Reservoir. We drop down by Snailsden Lodge into the gully and cross over the fledgling River Don. The route follows the edge of Winscar Reservoir, and we also pass by a small stand of pine trees. We walk round the back of the Pennine Sailing Club before leaving the public access land and onto Winscar Dam. From Winscar Dam we walk back down into Dunford Bridge to the car park and Journey's End. We just got to walk up this road a little while, not very far, a couple of 100 metres I suppose. This is the road that goes from Dunford Bridge to Holmfirth. Goes through Heydedge as well. Some grey lag geese squawking. Oh, they're taking off, look. You see them? And there's Winscar looking very, very summery. Okay, so this is where we start going onto the access land. And as you can see, there's signs for no dogs allowed. Cattle grid, oh no. Oh God. Oh yeah, we made it. Now we just dropped down this track, and this is Holmfirth Reservoir. And that overflows down there into Winscar. Both Winscar Reservoir and Holmfirth Reservoir were quarries at one time, and after the quarries were decommissioned, they built the dam walls and then flooded the valley. And Winscar is definitely one of the largest ones around this area. And it's in the stewardship of Yorkshire Water. I just hear the track goes round to the left, and that's where we want to be, because we're heading up towards Snailsden and Snailsden Edge. We don't actually go on to Snailsden Edge this time, because we drop down then towards Winscar once we're at the top. Oh, getting hot now. Even going up this slight incline. Getting an old sweat going. And this gateway here, this marks the highest point on the walk today. I think there's a young curlew there, or it might be a redshank or something. Looked a little bit smaller than an adult curlew. It's just gone down into that dip there. Can you hear it piping? Whoa, high-speed sheep, look at him go. There's a lapwing there that's not happy with me walking through its territory. I bet it's got youngsters nearby. You see him? You can hear him as well. This building here, it's where the local gamekeeper hangs out. I'm not sure if he actually lives there, but it's certainly his headquarters. I think it's called Snailsden Lodge. It might be Harden Lodge, but I'm pretty sure it's Snailsden Lodge. This area that we're looking into now over this wall, this isn't access land, so we're not allowed on there. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, silly old man. Oh dear. That was a fall, not a dive, I hasten to add. Either way, it was pretty pathetic. Oh, that's just quite nice down here. I might stop here a while. Oh, it's all this loose gravel. Oh dear. I'm not fit to be let out on my own, am I? Oh, pick myself up, dust myself down. On the plus side, there was nobody here to see me. Having said that, you're seeing me. So I couldn't make it any more public if I wanted to. All part of life's rich tapestry. Whoa, oh God. Silly old man. Anyway, come on, focus. And this little stream here, believe it or believe it not, but it is the truth. This is the River Don. The River Don that is famous for flowing through Sheffield and Doncaster, obviously, and eventually winds up joining the Humber estuary and flowing out into the North Sea. Modest beginnings, but almighty rivers have to start somewhere. And this is it, the River Don. And it's so low today, we're not even getting our feet wet crossing it. Look at that, unless of course I fall into the river. And that's not beyond the realms of possibility given my current track record. I've got form for falling on my arse, apparently. So, steep bit now. Oh, steep bit. Now just here, the main track, it goes up and hairpins round to the right and goes off up there. But we're going to take this track here, which eventually starts to follow the shoreline of Winscar. Oh, a bit breezy now, hope you can hear me. This is great stuff. I think living in Britain though, when the weather's this good, you're always thinking to yourself, oh, we're going to pay for this. It'll be snowing next week, you watch. Floods next week, oh. I'm just trying to enjoy it while it's here. Oh, look at this now. We come up to the top of this track and Winscar's just opened up in front of us. Whew. Oh, what a magnificent day. Cheers, guys. That's better. I definitely needed that drink. Seriously believe the trick is to drink before you get thirsty and eat before you get hungry and rest before you get tired. That way you can sustain yourself better. It's easy for me to say, I need to practice what I preach as well. Oh yes. The agility of an antelope. Oh, feeling hot now walking up here. Cracking views though. I'll just stop and look at the view. That's my excuse for a rest. Well, what do you know? There's some style action. Excellent. Gate and style action. That's not a bad gate with a view, is it? Very nice. Let's see if we can get over the stile with some dignity. Honestly, I'd settle for just not hurting myself. Here we go. Hoop. Oh, yeah. Oh. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Dignity intact, I think. Oh, yeah. Whew. Well guys, it's that time in the video. You know, you were waiting for it. I know you were anticipating it, but here it is. It's the time in the video when I say, I hope you've enjoyed the video so far. If you are enjoying it, please drop a like on the like button down below. And if you're really enjoying it, you know what to do. Yeah, that's right. Please consider subscribing. That would be great. And it would be wonderful to welcome you aboard the channel. Then we can all go on these walks together. Don't worry about subscribing. I mean, it doesn't cost you anything. All it means is that you get to see the videos first. They appear on your YouTube timeline as soon as they're published, which is every Thursday at midday, UK time. So, we're on the far side of Winscar now from where we started off. We've come right across the top of the other side there and dropped down, then walked on the other side of that little forest that you can see. We've come around here and now we're scooting back along here, heading back towards the main tourist area of Winscar. About another 1.5 miles to walk, I think. These sheep are going to bolt as soon as they see me. They're going to go mental. Now this is where we exit the public access land through this gate here, and we're straight out onto Winscar Dam. If you need to find this gate to get onto the public access land, just remember it's right next to the entrance to the Pennine Sailing Club. Oh, I'll show you. That's the entrance to the Pennine Sailing Club, and the access gate is just there. Well guys, we're back at Winscar, walking across the dam. This is the more familiar face of Winscar, the place where all the tourists come to enjoy this wonderful landscape. Well guys, we're just above Dunford Bridge at Winscar still, so there's not far to go back to the car park. Been a cracking walk, I've so enjoyed it. The weather has been absolutely stonking. Wonderful, it couldn't have been any better really, and this breeze has been just perfect, just to keep you a little bit cool. So it's been great. I hope you've enjoyed it. I really do hope you've enjoyed it. It's been great having you along for the ride. It's really nice to know that you're there in the background there, watching and following my antics. So I hope you've had a good time. Thanks for being there, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video. So until then, cheers guys, bye.